Hello to everyone guys, this is a new video. In this new video I'm seeing how to make this fucking boring system that is the spec after time. So we leave the list idea and we just erase it because it was a bad idea, and we ask for the coroutine to have another variable that is the direction of touch. So after this we instantiate when the actual time of the killing is passed and the spikes need to appear. We actually spawn some spikes over the correct direction of our oh, it's called fuck me, of the spike after time. So we generally spawn a spikes I'm so tired, a spikes tile, right? This is called just like this. So I need to create my transform my position for the instantiation because the sum didn't work. So I used a vector tree, and based on if the direction is node, like I used a transform dot position plus a vector tree dot up to put the with a manual vector to put the spikes tile in at the north of my pad. So I figured out I also need to store this game object, so I create a new variable called geo to store this game object. Then I realized that I need two different times, the time of the duration of our spikes, so the time after he appears and the time after the spikes disappear. I set it all the time to work as intended. So after the first time the spike appear, and after the second time, I don't know why I'm not writing, after the second time the spike will disappear, and so in the second wait for second will be spike disappear. And after this we destroy our game object. I then realized that for each direction I need a different instantiation, so I just put the direction on the switch, do all the cases for all the direction, and copy the instantiation, and then change the actual position based on where the spikes need to appear. This is a great system, this works, and I'm pretty happy with it. Now I'm putting another things to make the animation looks better when we are animating this with the actual placeholder. For now this is the word script. I need them to apply the game object variable, and also I assign the game object to this dot game object because it gives me an error otherwise, but the script works anyways. So I put the time after the spikes appear and disappear, and this works. I see you in the next episode.